Welcome back, YouTube. Really haven't been on here for a while. Made a small video update on the Mazda with my phone a while back. Figure I'd give you guys a quick update on what's going on around here. I still don't have a GoPro. I still have my Sony HD camera. It's not quite as crystal clear as I'd like, but it's what we're working with right now. This is the frame and engine out of the white Mazda. This is the engine and motor out of the second Mazda we purchased. We're getting ready to haul this to scrap. We got the lean-to started. Still needs a roof. Got the garden shed clean. Got the parts truck home for the Bronco. Picked me up a new Cummins. Not new, but new to me. Pretty clean, really. Camera's kind of dirty. Here's the second Mazda. This Mazda is going to be Nikki's. It's going to have a 302 and an A4OD transmission. And then the first Mazda is now going to be mine. And it's going to go on this S10 frame with a 400M and a C4 transmission. I need to get some stuff done around here. I got so many projects halfway. Time to finish one of them up. We're going to get this box stripped. We're going to get this frame stripped off and get everything put on the scrap trailer so we can go get it out of here. I'm going to go toss my camera on the charger. We're going to get all that loaded and start stripping the S10. I'll be back with more here in a little bit. Thanks. Hey, Lieutenant Dan.
Hi.
Okay, I've got all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I got all 8. Yeah, there's only 8 bolts holding the bed and cab on. No, 6 on the cab, 4 on the bed. They are off. They are either cut or removed. We got the Mazda motors and frame loaded up. I tell you what, this 4,000 or 4,500 pound winch is a lifesaver. As long as what you have is a roller, because if you got something that's locked up, that winch does not like it. But anyways, we will getting messy. We will get the S10 pushed out, get the cab box pushed off, and go from there. Thanks for watching. You ready, dear?
Yep.
Okay, I got this brake line to cut. I'm pretty sure that's the only thing holding the cab on.
Yikes.
Huh? Hell yeah, Chevrolet makes a hell of a brake line.
We did it.
Now to get the rear off. Oh, what a mess. I got the bed of the S10 all cleaned out so we can get it removed. And it is off. Cherry pickers are nice, but I really like my hoist here. Looks a little sketchy, but it should hold about 4,500 pounds. There's an I-beam, a 4-inch I-beam that runs the full length of this garage, and there's that pole there. But yeah, we've pulled 2 cabs and 1 box with it now. Setting an engine will be the biggest test of it. I suppose we'll get this box loaded onto the trailer, and I'm going to take another break because it's kind of exhausting work stripping pickups. Damn, dirty work too. Alrighty, YouTube, I'm going to go wash my nards and relax for a few and come back out and, I don't know, attempt to take care of this mess. Thanks for watching. Ta-da! One stripped 1988 S10 frame. Now I just got to clean it and prep it and start figuring out what it'll take to squeeze a Mazda on there and a small block 400 Ford right there. And then there, got the shit loaded down. We'll go take it scrap tomorrow. I am too tired to do much more tonight. It's a shame nobody bought this S10. It was a pretty square pickup. I was trying to get rid of the body panels for somebody who's rebuilding an S10 or whatever, but nobody wants it and I don't have storage, so she's gonna get melted and turned into something else probably. I'm going to button a few things up around here, find my cell phone, and go in the house. You guys have a good evening. Thanks for watching. Okay, I figured I would give you guys a quick tour and kind of a build rundown on what I'm planning to do to these Mazdas. We originally picked this white Mazda up for my girlfriend because it was her grandfather's. The frame was shot. I mean, it was just complete trash. That's the one we're scrapping. And so I started looking for a parts truck, and I found the blue truck, and we decided to change it up a bit and decided that this white truck will become my hot rod project. It's rough. Make a better hot rod than a nice finished product, I think. But we got it all stripped down. It only took us like 3 hours to strip this one. There's not much to these trucks. It was a full running driving truck when we got it, just not a safely running driving truck. I picked that up for 250 bucks, and then I picked this S10 up for 200 bucks, and we stripped it yesterday. That only took us about 2 hours, but there was no drivetrain whatsoever, just a cab and no doors. In bed. With this S10 frame, I chose to go with an S10 frame because the aftermarket is very large and has lots of support for the S10 frame. A lot of guys do S10 frame swaps on older pickups and stuff like that. There's lowering kits, lift kits, airbag kits, hydraulic kits, so sky's the limit with the frame. But anyways, the white Mazda, grab my phone here, I'll show a picture of the engine the white Mazda is getting. It is getting a 400M out of a 1977 Lincoln four-door car. I have a buddy who derbies, and he picked up two Lincolns. One had a 302 and the other one had the 400. The 400 only has 40,000 miles. It's got a C4 transmission, I believe, and the 302 has 30,000 miles, and it has an A4OD, I believe. But there's the 302. It's nice and clean, low miles, both ran and drive. Then there's the 400 for this truck. Then the 302, it's going to be switched over to carbureted because I'm going for simplistic and fun. The blue truck, we picked it up originally for parts to make one truck, but when we got there, we couldn't believe how clean the frame was. There's still a lot of black on the frame. And the craziest part is this truck has 187,000 miles. It's the same year as the white one. Really just shows you the difference between southern Kansas and, southern Kansas and southern Iowa. A lot more salt up here. The biggest problem this truck has is that hole right there. That's it. Everything else is solid. And I went to college for auto body, and I'm a welder, so we'll be able to make this work. The hood, but it is clean. I'm not sure if I'll have enough room on the transmission housing for the C4 or the A4OD. We'll figure that out as we go. If we got to build a whole new floorboard out of sheet steel, make it custom, so be it. But this was a SE5 5-speed. It's going to be the SE. What were we going to change it to? I think, oh yeah, the SE 302 or the SE 50. We'll see. It's going to be, she wants it black on the top and the bottom, green down the middle, the tailgate the same way with the Mazda being green. And then for the back window, she wants to have it etched with her name, and I'll show you why. Oh, Christmas stuff. Happy holidays. These old Mazdas came with a Nicky, I can't remember the second name, but it was a Nicky something carburetor. And we saved the fuel bowl off of both trucks, so we have the lettering. But we're going to have her name just like that as a decal to appear etched in the back window. And my Mazda, I have no idea. We're going to do hers first and have it running and driving before I even decide to mount that Ford motor in that Chevy frame. But there's an update. Hopefully have more to come. These 3 kids and finally getting settled into this house after moving. Been busy, but here's an update. I hope you guys liked it. Check back in hopefully in a week and I'll have another video. Hope you have a great week and stay safe out there. With any luck, 2021 will be a hell of a lot better than 2020. Have a good night. Thanks for watching. Come back for more.